Coleus, also known as Solenostemon, but also commonly called the flame nettle, is a very popular plant worldwide. It's fast-growing and adaptable, growing well in a wide range of conditions and soil types. The range of colors and forms of the leaves is almost endless, so there is a Coleus variety for everyone. It's a popular greenhouse or windowsill plant and also looks great in summer bedding schemes and pots where it adds a tropical look. Cuttings can be rooted year-round in gentle warmth, but are most often taken in late spring to early summer. Late summer is a good time for taking cuttings to provide winter windowsill plants or for overwintering for next summer. Bushy plants such as this can provide us with plenty of good cuttings. We should look for strong growths, not weak and floppy stems. Use scissors or cutters and take stems of 8 to 15 centimeters in length. That's 3 to 6 inches. So we have two nice-sized, strong cuttings here. I'm also taking a couple of cuttings from this different Coleus variety. Now we can prepare the cutting compost, and I'm using 2 parts multi-purpose potting compost and 1 part horticultural grit. Instead of the grit, you could use sand, fish tank gravel, or perlite. We need the compost to be gritty and very free draining. I'm using a medium-sized plastic pot. You can use any type of pot or container as long as it has drainage holes. Now back to the cuttings, and we can clean them up. The roots will grow from the nodes, the points where the leaves join the stem. So cut just below the node line. I'll clean up the stem and remove some of the larger leaves. Aim to leave 4 to 6 large leaves on each cutting. Now we have the trimmed cuttings, pot of compost, and a wooden chopstick, which will be used to make holes in the compost. So let's start by making a hole in the compost at the side of the pot and push the stick about halfway down the compost and rotate the stick to open up a deep hole. Insert the cutting into the hole and push all the way down, and then firm the cutting in well with your fingertips. Then rotate the pot and repeat the process for the other cuttings. Remember to firm each cutting well. With all cuttings now inserted, we should give them a good watering in to soak the compost and settle the cuttings. Then place in a shady spot. Keep the cuttings moist at all times. They will need to be watered regularly in hot weather. Rooting will take 3 to 6 weeks. When you see new growths on the cuttings, you'll know they have rooted. With plenty of new growth visible, I know these have rooted well. As can be seen, we have plenty of good roots. Now I have potted these into fresh multi-purpose compost for growing on, overwintering, or for planting out. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then please give it a like. I really appreciate your support. And please subscribe if you'd like to see more of my plant videos. Thanks again, and I look forward to bringing you the next video soon.